Hi there, I hope you're doing well. Ruth Squires here with RES Luxury Group. Wanted to record a quick video to bring you up to speed on market stats and also on the exciting changes that we've had in the last few weeks for the real estate team. So market stats, we are continuing to watch very, very low inventory levels. So just to give you an idea, we have 570 homes active in the MLS system. Last year, this same time, we had almost 1,200 homes active. So that's how low the inventory levels are year over year. Continuing to see them drop each month. Looking forward to seeing those levels start to come up, especially for those that are buying. It's a very, very small selection. So just please continue to use me and my team as a resource. We're your realtors on demand. So reach out to us if there's anything at all that you need. If you're thinking about selling, now is a great time because you have less competition. You can get more money out of your home in that environment. And we'd love to talk to you about that. So certainly anything you need, please give us a call. As far as changes for our team, we've got some new listings coming. We brought to you the new Terra Vista listing last week. That comes on the market this week. We also have a new listing coming in Rainbow Springs Country Club Estates. So that should be coming on the market this week as well. And just continuing to really push to try and help the community, help buyers and sellers as much as we possibly can. And we also, I'm excited to tell you that Ariel Harrington, who has been with the team for over a year now, she just got her real estate license, so she will be serving Marion County. So if you know anyone that's looking to buy or sell in Marion County, she is ready to go. She wants to help, and she's got all the tools and resources to do a fantastic job and exceed expectations, which is what we strive to do. So as far as changes with listings, we have had a couple significant price improvements. We've got some very motivated sellers. As you know, we've got some good seller incentives as well for sellers willing to pay closing costs for buyers. So that's a big deal, especially in this type of environment. You see less and less of those types of offers. As far as the price improvements, 1606 West Westford Path has dropped down to $449, and that property is it's an absolutely beautiful golf course pool home. It's only a few years old. It is move-in ready, just fantastic, and they're willing to offer furnishings as well on a separate sale agreement. And so this is turnkey, and I'm telling you, the view at this house when you stand on the pool deck and you just look out over the golf course, it is a fantastic view. So this is one you really want to check out. They're very motivated, and you want to, stay on top of that and get a chance at that property. So I'm doing an open house event there on Saturday from 10 to 2. It is reservation only. It is a gated community, so you have to contact me to reserve your spot, and then I will give you a private tour of that property. So please call me if you're interested. Also, 4818 North Valley Terrace in Pine Ridge Estates, 5.5 acre horse farm. It is now $649, and that is a spectacular deal. This house has a beautiful 3-stall horse barn with feed and tack room. It's a 4,500 square foot home living area with a 3-car garage and just a ton of space to work with, a pool and outdoor kitchen. There's nothing missing on this house. It's also move-in ready. So a really good deal. Seller is motivated. So please contact me if you know anybody or if you yourself are looking for something like this. I'd love to show it to you. So those are our big updates for September 1st. If there's anything at all that me or my team can be doing for you, please do not hesitate to reach out. 352-476-3303. Ruth Squires, Keller Williams Realty, RES Luxury Group, white glove service, red carpet treatment. It's all in the name. We are not the same. Have a great week.